I'm Wayne Pollock. I'm a thought leadership ghostwriter serving big law and boutique law firm partners. I help these partners build their practices and their prominence one word at a time. There's a saying in sports that the best ability is availability, meaning that you as an athlete can't help your team win. You can't reach the highest levels of performance unless you are available, unless you are actually on the field playing. You're not injured. You're not on the bench for some reason. You are out there on the field playing. The same thing goes for attorneys when it comes to their thought leadership efforts. The best ability is availability. When we're talking about availability with respect to thought leadership, we're talking about attorneys consistently engaging in content creation, consistently attending industry events, consistently participating in online discussions, and generally understanding that their thought leadership strategy is a long-term strategy, not a series of one-off actions. There's a number of reasons why availability is important for attorneys when it comes to thought leadership. One, it helps maintain visibility. When you are consistently creating content, when you are consistently speaking at events, when you are consistently commenting on other people's social media posts, you are staying in front of these individuals and presumably your target audience, clients and referral sources. You are making sure that people aren't forgetting about you. On a second point, availability in thought leadership also allows you to better build relationships. When you are actively going to industry events and shaking hands and chatting with people, when you are consistently talking online, doing networking, Zoom calls and phone calls, you are building connections with peers, you're building connections with current, potential, and even your past clients and referral sources. You are consistently showing up and reinforcing your expertise and your brand, who you are, what you do, to these people. Availability with thought leadership also gives you a chance to capitalize on opportunities. You are readily available to respond to emerging trends or legal developments by creating content, by speaking about those trends and those developments at industry events. When someone from the media sees a blog post or an article you wrote or a social media post and they call you up, you're available to them to appear on a Zoom interview, and you now get to be known as a go-to expert for the media. You are able to capitalize on opportunities because you are available. That also means being able to fill in for someone on a panel discussion, at a conference, or on a webinar. You're able to hop in and demonstrate expertise and your knowledge and wisdom on a moment's notice based on what's going on in the world, what's going on around you. Finally, availability when it comes to thought leadership helps you build trust and credibility. Consistently getting out there with social media posts, consistently getting out there with email newsletters or articles or blog posts or podcast episodes shows you're committed to your practice and you're committed to educating your audience. That obviously builds trust with your current clients and your potential clients. It also helps differentiate yourself from your competitors and gives you a competitive edge because you are showing proactively that you are trustworthy, you are credible, you're reliable because you can be counted on to provide thoughtful knowledge, thoughtful wisdom regarding topics in the news, topics in the law, and you're doing it regularly. You can be relied on because we are seeing you consistently create this content. When it comes to attorneys producing thought leadership, just like in sports, the best ability is availability. If you're interested in learning how to create championship caliber thought leadership content, see what I did there? Check out lawfirmeditorialservice.com. We have plenty of videos, blog posts, and podcast episodes that can help you do just that.